Canceling Amazon Prime Video might seem tricky, but I'm here to show you how to do it step by step. And if you're ready to stop these extra charges and take control, keep watching. So first, go to the Amazon website and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, click on the Account and Lists section at the top right. From there, you're going to find and click on Your Prime Membership. Next, you're going to see a button called Manage Membership. Click it, and then under the options, you're going to find the End Memberships button. Okay? After this, Amazon is going to ask you to confirm, and boom, you're done. So here are some tips to make sure that you're not paying for something that you no longer use. Number 1, double check your renewal date. 2, consider switching to a cheaper plan if you still want some benefits. 3, make sure to cancel before the next charge. 4, review your subscription regularly to avoid unwanted services. 5, keep an eye out on your email for any confirmation of cancellation. Now, you've got this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love ya. Ciao.